Welcome back to SKIBIDI Tech. Stuck with an iCloud locked iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch? Bought a second-hand device and can't get past the activation lock? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how to unlock your iOS device with TunesKit iCloud Activation Unlocker safely, easily, and without needing the previous owner's Apple ID or password. TunesKit iCloud Activation Unlocker is a powerful tool that helps you bypass the iCloud activation lock in just 3 steps. Whether you've forgotten your Apple ID credentials or you're locked out of a second-hand device, TunesKit offers a clean and fast solution. Here's what you can do with TunesKit. Bypass iCloud activation lock without Apple ID or password. Turn off Find My iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. Disable camera shutter sound on Japanese and Korean iOS devices. Supports a wide range of iOS versions, from iOS 12.0 to 16.7 and beyond. Now let me show you how does the TunesKit Activation Unlocker works. Simply go to their website and download the TunesKit Activation Unlocker tool for you Windows or macOS. I will put the website link in the description. Once it's downloaded, now simply install it in your Windows or macOS. After installation completed, now simply launch the TunesKit Activation Unlocker tool. Now when you launch the tool, it will show you 3 different options. The first one is Remove iCloud Activation Lock, second is Turn Off Camera Sound, and then third one More Tools option. TunesKit offers flexible licenses for both Windows and macOS. Choose from monthly, yearly, or lifetime plans depending on your needs. Once you purchase the package, now simply log in with your details. Now, let's say you bought a second-hand iPhone and it's stuck on the activation lock screen. With TunesKit, you just connect your device to your PC or macOS and then hit on Remove iCloud Activation Lock. Then hit Start, then follow the on-screen instructions. First, this process will jailbreak your device, so please follow the steps carefully. There is complete instruction available on the site as well, and in minutes, you're back in business. No Apple ID or password needed.
Starting to advance now, ready to expand now. You don't have a chance now, cause we're in demand now. Make it by the grand now, feeling in command now. They're looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me, they want the best of me now.
So if you are ready to unlock your device, click the link in the description to download TunesKit now and take back control of your iPhone or iPad. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more iOS tips and tricks, and drop a comment below if you've got any questions. See you in the next video.